On today's video, we're going to show you a quick way how to remove ice from a mini fridge.
Okay, we got a block of ice here. This refrigerator is a block of ice. Well, what we could do, you could remove it, take it out, thaw it out, and then bring it back the next day. But we're going to show you a quick trick on how to do it. Okay, Salvador's going to go ahead and do it. First thing you do, pull the refrigerator out. Unplug it. What we do is like a good tilt. Tilt it back like 45 degrees. And we move all the trays and stuff out of there. And we get our hot water. You can get your hot water anywhere. We got hot water right here. So all we're going to do is pour the hot water inside our freezer evaporator here. And then water's just going to run down to right here. See how it's already thawing it out? See how water is collecting down here? See our water just accumulating down here, but that's okay. We'll get that out. Then the ice starts breaking away like that. Then we'll scoop our water out that's in here. Let's take a look in there. Okay, so we got all the ice out of there, guys. The evaporator is nice and clean. So now all we're gonna do is just dry up our refrigerator and put it back together. There it is there. Now we should wait 5 minutes before we plug this refrigerator in. We'll wait 5 minutes and we'll come back. Plug it back. Set your settings to your desired temperature. There it is there. That's how you thaw it out. We did this in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.